This YouTube channel has more than 300,000 subscribers, and mostly their videos reach millions of views. They uploaded only 24 videos on their channel. Wow! Creating these types of videos for Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, and YouTube long videos consumes too much time. But I will guide you on how you can do this in just minutes by using these two simple AI tools, which will consume less time and less costly. First, we will go to the ChatGPT. Search ChatGPT and sign up for free. Now we will use the prompt box you can see at the bottom of the screen. One important tip: enter the prompt properly to get good results. So I am giving a prompt. Give me a short script on historical facts that, why are Jews so rich? Make the script engaging and use simple English easy to understand. Now, as you can see, ChatGPT has given us the result. If you don't like that, you can again generate it. But for now, it's good. I will use it. One more thing, you can also rewrite the viral video script. Just give the script of the viral video to ChatGPT, and it will rewrite it. Now, the next AI tool we will use is Mootion. Go to the Mootion.com link mentioned in the video description and sign up from here. After signing up, you will see this interface. Here are some of my recent projects you can see, and also some work done by Mootion website developers. As you can see in the free plan, there are around about 200 credits, which are enough to make videos. So first of all, you have to click on Use My Content where you can paste your script. You can see there is a first column named Content, in which we have to type our ideas or paste reference content. But wait a minute. Let me tell you one more thing that you can also generate from prompt by using this tool. Simply click on Generate from Prompt. Here, you can write your content. Other procedure is same, like generate from content. Now, let's go back to the generate from content. So basically here, you can type your idea, which type of video, which kind of video you want. So I will paste the script that we copy from ChatGPT. You can also write directly in Mootion Storyteller without switching to ChatGPT. It's easier, more convenient, and yields clever results. Now from here, you can select the ratio of the video, 16:9 ratio, 9:16 ratio, or 1:1 ratio. So I will select a 9:16 ratio. For TikTok videos, from here you can see there are different types of designs: retro comics, 3D cartoons, anime-style painting, line art, etc., etc. So I will go with retro comic. Now click the Generate button. It will consume your 20 credits. So I am using 20 credits. It will take some time. Before it generates, make sure to hit the subscribe button and like the video so you do not miss our upcoming videos. So here you can see that this AI generated the video and some pictures with it. You can see it here. There are total scenes in the video. You can regenerate it from here. If you don't like these scenes, or you can use these as assets, you can animate these pictures, which is a coming soon feature. So, I will go click on Next. Now from here, the most important part, you can add subtitles. So for example, if you want to add subtitles to your video, let me select this one, and from here, you can also use it. I will use this one. You can also use a thumbnail, but I will leave it as a simple image for the screen effects. You can use mini zoom in burns or no effects, so I will go with mini zoom. You can make a transition. For example, I'll use this transition. I will go with the slide. From here, you can select different types of voiceovers. You can see. So I will go with this one. Now I will click on Composite and our video is now generating. This is the summary of our video and hashtags, which can be used for social media while uploading the video. So there are a total of 8 scenes in the video. Here you can see. You can also download this as a thumbnail, or you can download the video. So I'll download the video and let me show you the video.
Our journey begins thousands of years ago in the bustling marketplaces of ancient Babylon. Jews were already honing skills that would set the foundation for their financial acumen. Look, I've mastered the art of trade. I barter, negotiate, and keep precise records. It's all about being shrewd and diligent. Jewish communities emphasized education and literacy. Reading, writing, and understanding contracts gave them an edge in business.
One more benefit of making TikTok videos from this tool is that all videos are more than 1 minute, which is eligible for the YouTube Creativity Program. You can make 4 to 5 videos daily with the help of this tool, and you can easily upload high quality. This AI tool can generate massive revenue for you, so don't miss this opportunity. Link is the description, go check it out. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. We would love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and informative content.